Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Surya Putra, and today I will be discussing an episode from the BBC podcast series. You Are Dead to Me, and the title is LGBTQ History. This episode is hosted by Greg Jenner and explores the fascinating topic of LGBTQ. Okay, before we start the discussion, I will tell you that I have heard this podcast before. So, uh, after I listen to this podcast, I also make a resume, or yeah, the resume, the summarizing of the content. So, move to the main content. In this episode, Greg Jenner delves into the life of LGBTQ history. One of the most intriguing points discussed was LGBTQ plus become legal in some countries. And for instance, lesbian activity wasn't punishable in the UK. There is certain jurisdiction in Europe where same-sex acts between women could be punishable, but it wasn't punishable here. And additionally, the guest speakers provided unique insight on lesbians become known in the 19th century. And the word lesbian comes from Lesbos, uh, especially in Sakpos Island. And another important point was the researchers or historians or experts were easy to recognize and find LGBTQ plus people. That why? Because they are re-evaluating who they thought were gay or lesbian in the past, and they are actually saying that those people might be gender non-binary or people this person may be trans. And this episode also highlighted thousands of surveys of people asking explicit questions about their sexual behavior, desires, and preference, as well as what they have experienced to varying degrees of success and completion the sexual interaction with people of the same sex. And with the study of men in 1948, it was disturbing to find that men were interacting sexually with another man, and it wasn't just this weird case. So, the conclusion of the summarizing above of or what I have said before. In conclusion, this episode of You Are Dead to Me that titled is LGBTQ plus history is provided a thorough and engaging look at LGBTQ plus history and how it developed. So the podcast was tell about LGBTQ history and how it developed, how it start, when it start, like that. And I particularly enjoyed learning about new things like this title LGBTQ because I can know and understand the beginning of it. Although I feel a little bit weird or shocking when heard the truth, but it was gave me a new perspective on LGBTQ. Overall, I found this episode to be better for me or for everyone in socializing and growing as a normal and sane human being. Thank you for your attention, and thank you for listening to my presentation. I will close this presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.